Hello, welcome to my channel. We are live. Not really, we're not live. I've never gone live before. I would be like, I'm gonna go live, and then 3 people will show up. Cause then I'll be like, well, what are you guys doing? And then more than likely we'll eventually click out and I'll have one person that's still watching, and that one person will probably be my mom. Hey Cake Nieces, it's Marisha. So I think everybody's a little bit sick. If you don't have the Ronus, you have something. It's the flu going around, you guys. I was doing these videos with pneumonia. I didn't even say anything. We are here because April Fool's Day is actually almost coming up. I know you guys probably forgot because we're so focused on everything else in the world. And I do have a lot of April Fool's Day videos technically, because all those food or cake videos are definitely gonna fool somebody out there. My favorite chicken nuggets growing up were Tyson. As far as fast food places, those Wendy's spicy nuggets. I would take that nugget in that fry and put that bad boy on top of one another. Oh, fast food is crazy. So in this video, I'm gonna make some chicken nuggets and french fries. Very simple. Something that you guys can easily do at home because we're all home. I think this will be really cool for kids. You could definitely prank your children, really anybody, because if you put chicken nuggets in front of me, don't let them be keto. I'm gonna try to dig in. I'm not even really gonna ask anything about it. And that's kind of sad when you think about it. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, cake nieces, so I have here some vanilla cake scraps. I always have cake scraps in my freezer at the ready. I'm going to crumble them up, and I did add some vanilla frosting to them to make it a nice cake dough, which I'm going to form my nuggets with. These are actually monster nuggets. They're not your normal size nuggets. They're not for babies, these nuggets right here. These are for hungry people, if you will. I'm just gonna form them into nugget shapes. That's pretty much a totally imperfect oval. I even tried to do the dinosaurs because I used to love dinosaur nuggets. That was not happening, but feel free to make whatever shape of nuggets that you would like. I am treating these nuggets with care. I do not want them out here to catch anything. So I have on my gloves, and I'm also giving them an extra little pat down just to make sure that they are content when I lay them onto my board. So I'm gonna put those in the freezer for about 20 minutes. And then I have here some graham cracker crumbs and some icing. And this is just powdered sugar and a little drop of water. And I'm going to cover each of my nuggets, which are now hard as a rock, in my icing, and then put them right into my graham cracker crumbs, cinnamon graham cracker crumbs, because you know I like my flavor. My little toss action coming into play right here. And then we're going to lay these nuggets down. You know, there are so many ways to do this that would have been more convenient and easier than just using a spoon like I am and just tossing it. But just do whatever makes you happy. That's what I always say. Do whatever makes you happy. I used to be the chicken nugget queen, period. I had enough chicken nuggets and chicken tenders throughout my life to know who has the best. This could be a topic. So while I do enjoy Chick-fil-A's chicken nuggets, they tend to be a little bit too salty for me. That could just be my Chick-fil-A place. McDonald's, I don't like it because they're like a sponge. I don't like that. I like real chicken, you know? Can I just tell you guys, that was literally a clip of 5 minutes of me talking about nuggets and tenders. I really need like a side podcast or something. I have here some water and gel dye. I made it kind of thick, like a good 2 drops of brown gel dye and 1 drop of water. I'm putting that in my airbrush machine, and we are going to turn these raw nuggets into freshly deep fried nuggets. We're gonna add that nice crispiness to them. Speaking of, do you like your nuggets baked or fried? I tried this one recipe that I saw in like a magazine. You take chicken breast, right, and then you like slice it. You roll it in unflavored yogurt and then cornflakes. I didn't like it too much, but I know that they were trying to be innovative and different, and I do appreciate that. I've tried so many different nugget and tender recipes, it makes no sense. So now we're going to move on to our french fries. Remember when I told you guys that I take leftover cakes and I use them for more videos? Guess which one this is. I'll give you 3 seconds. Boop. This is my Betty Boop cake. This was Betty Boop just a couple of days ago, and now she is turning into delicious french fries. Look at that, how this cycle of life works. I'm gonna cut my cake layer into matchsticks, and then you cut the ends on an angle. We're gonna put those onto a sheet tray and bake them in the toaster oven or a regular oven for about 5 minutes or until they just get that light golden color. Anything else, your french fries will be a little bit burnt. I was borderline, but I made it. We made it just in time. So this is actually a template. You can look up french fry holder printables and you can get templates from offline. So this is actually a really cute takeout container that I got from a party store. I love the print of it and I really want to use this for my cake. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this little french fry holder. I just cut out the template that I drew, pretty much use that template to cut out this paper, and you get the cutest little french fry nugget container ever. Now, like I said, my nuggets were monster nuggets, okay? So I was able to fit 1 or 2 nuggets in that thing. So I'm just leaving that in here to show you guys how to do it in case you want to make bigger ones or in case your nuggets turn out smaller. Now, of course, we need a sauce with our nuggets because if you don't have a sauce, what are you doing? What are you doing? So this apple butter is perfect for barbecue sauce. We're going to take our french fries and put them on the plate. And then I went ahead and used the takeout container just as is, and I actually put more of the cardboard inside, the little nugget container that I just made, just to prop up those nuggets. I thought this was perfect. Literally, you guys, if somebody walked in and saw this, they're gonna go for the nuggets, no doubt about it. And that is how to make chicken nuggets and french fries out of cake with apple butter on the side. I love it. This is very close to my heart. Let me know what you thought of this video down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys soon. Couture and chicken nuggets and french fries cake. Bye guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me grab a cake needs to comment really quickly. This one goes to Charista Zamora. Charista? Let me know how to say your name, please, because you comment all the time, and I'm so sad that I don't know how to say your name. It's really pretty. I feel like we should be nearly friends by now, and I don't even know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. Marisha, like seriously. Oh, you are so entertaining to watch. You're funny, you're talented, you're positive, and you deserve way more subscribers than you have now, and definitely way more comments and views on your cake videos. I've been thinking the same thing. Girl. Keep doing what you do, girl, because you are doing it. Hashtag cake needs to comment. Aww. And then 4 people liked it. I've been feeling that way too, girls. It's both of us. We feel that way together. That was the sweetest comment ever. Thank you so much. She's been asking me for a mermaid / unicorn cake for the longest. Okay, I'm gonna just say why I haven't done it yet, because that cake, I want it to be so big like this, But then what am I gonna do with it? So I'm literally trying to convince people, hey, you wanna make cake? Hey, wanna make cake? So maybe I could try to just come up with something small for now, just to get something out there, because I am a mermaid. Marisha Mermaid, that's what I call myself when nobody's looking. If you would like to be featured in the next video, all you have to do is comment Kiknista comments. And comment, of course, and be subscribed. It's not a lot. For more of my food cakes and food tutorials and all that good stuff, check in the description below, and I'll leave the whole playlist so you could binge. You don't have anything to do. Bye, Kiknistas. Do you want a quick song? Because the rawness is out here and it might catch me. Chicken tenders and French fries. Chicken nuggets and fries. French fries. I just wonder if the ice cream man still plans on going around, because you know those chillins, when they hear that ice cream song, they will go running and flocking, and I'll catch the Ronas. Oh man, and I'll be right there with them, talking about, can I get the do you have anything keto?